OK, so what I was asking for you, exactly correct. Ladies and gentlemen, first thing we know is, first thing we want to do is break this apart. All right. Now, I have these formulas memorized. When I first opened up the book, I was like, I can't really remember them. I immediately did a couple problems, and boom, I got them memorized. OK. Now, I have them memorized. I've been doing a lot of examples, much more examples than you. However, by the time you guys do the homework, you should at least have an idea of being able to recognize what's the difference between the two. You might not have them fully memorized, but you guys by this time should be able to identify the difference between the sine and the cosine. The way that I remember it is whenever it's alternating, sine, cosine, cosine, sine, I know that's the sine formula, right? And I also know that the sine formula has the same sign. So if it's the sum of two angles, then the formula is the sum, right? Where cosine, remember cosine has the cosines together and the sines together, but the signs are opposite. If it's the sum of two angles, in the formula, it's the difference, right? And then tangent has sum and difference in it. So I know that this is going to be the sine, and it's going to be of two angles, of u plus v. So in this case, I just need to determine, well, what are my two angles? Well, that's my one angle. That's my other angle. So therefore, this is the sine of 3 plus 1.2, which equals the sine of 4.2. And yes, it is that basic.